Do not start a cell phone repair business in 2024 without listening to these 20 things that you must do. Number 1, do not go for the biggest space. Go for the most high traffic space. So many people make this mistake and go for something cheap that's big. And they forget that you pay for traffic. If you're going to open a retail store, you need to pick a shopping center with a good anchor store. Number 2, budget at least $1,000 for marketing each month or more, or master marketing on your own. If not, you have got to hire someone. But saying marketing doesn't work is like saying an electric car will not run if it's charged. Okay, something's broken because that car would run if it was charged. That means something else is wrong with it, okay? And so if you just say, well, marketing doesn't work, that absolutely makes no sense at all. Marketing absolutely works when it's done right by someone who knows what they're doing. Number 3, you need to be an owner operator or buy a franchise. It's very difficult to just come and open a retail space and say, I'm not going to know anything about repair. I'm not going to fix anything. I'm not going to get too involved. I'm going to invest in this and walk away and let my employees do it. First off, you don't know what they're telling you is accurate or not. If you are the type of person that has money to invest and you want to have something that you don't have to actually work in the store, then you need to purchase a franchise. Go the franchise route. Save a little bit more money and go the franchise route. But if you're going to open a retail location, you need to be owner and operate it, and then you can have staff and build them up to be able to take it over. But you can't just open it and act like you're not going to be involved at all, okay? Because you do need to be involved. Number 4, you can find local staff who repair, or let's face it, not everybody's going to like me saying this, see who's working at a local shop that hates their current job. I mean, doesn't mean just because they work at a local repair shop that they are the greatest, but they have some experience. And I'm going to tell you, it's sad to say because this is my industry. A lot of employers out there at shops, they don't pay much. They can treat their staff pretty crummy. So you can find someone that's really good that is just wants to be treated fairly and treated right? So, but you can also place an ad like on Indeed and look for people that already have experience. Number 5, do not, listen to me very carefully, do not overbuy accessories. Look for machines like Axiom Armor or Protection Pro that have on-demand cuts. And so this means if somebody comes in and they want to get a screen protector or something like that, you can actually cut it on the machine. Now, you can't cut this, but you can click the subscribe button. If you've gotten this far, hit subscribe, hit like, help me out a little bit here. Number 6, big windows in the space. When you go to rent a retail space, it can be a smaller space with huge front windows in a good shopping center with an anchor store, and you've hit the jackpot. Okay. You can go to Fiverr and look for a designer to design the window, kind of a sticker that goes on the window, but it's from the top to the bottom. It's like a see-through. So from the inside of the store, you can see through it. From the outside, you just see advertisements. You can't see through to the store. Those types of windows coverings are really good because people can see everything you do, and you can get them designed really nicely and then get them printed and professionally put on, unless you can put them on yourself. Number 7, always have something that smells good and have nice music playing in your store for your people, your customers that walk in. You want them to feel like this is a great atmosphere. I hate walking into a store that's stuffy. I mean, it smells like someone smoked cigarettes in there. It smells like somebody needs to open a window and let a draft in. I can go in there and do business. It gives me the ick, right? Plug in some smell good stuff. Get some fresh air going through there. Make sure your filters and your air conditioner are changed right. And play some light music in the background. No, not the most recent rap music. Play something that's like elevator music or a little bit more like of a genre, like 80s or 90s, okay? Better yet, put a TV up and run some ads on there. Number 8. This is a must-have. Join Repairs First Association. And I'm not just saying that because I sit on the board. I was a member 3 years prior to becoming a board member. And that's because they helped so much with my business. To have a team of people that have opened 500 locations help me with my business is invaluable. All you have to do is reach out and ask for help, and they're ready. They're ready to help you. And there's so much that comes with that membership. Number 9, do not overbuy on parts and supplies. Call the wholesalers and ask for recommended first orders. Also, Repairs First Association will help with this. Number 10, when you're picking a store name, don't overdo it. Don't get these complicated names. Pick something that has repair in it, but don't overcomplicate it, okay? Pick a name, try to keep it short, catchy, and that's it. Move forward. Number 11, colors for your branding. All you have to do is a quick YouTube search or a quick Google search to find what colors and make people feel a certain way. And then pick 1 or 2 colors and use that in your logo. Don't go crazy with the colors. Number 12, ensure your space is bright and open with lots of lights. You need to make them feel like this space it could be a small space, but that it feels clean and you can breathe inside and there's lights. They can see everything clearly. Number 13, sell devices. You have to do it all. Repair computers, repair phones, repair iPads, sell devices, buy devices, sell services. Listen, in 2024, your shop needs to be doing it all. Gone are the days of, I'll just fix screens and batteries. That's not going to work anymore. Be sure to budget for devices, or you can talk to RFA. They actually have a vendor that does consignment. So they give you the devices and then you pay for them after you sell them, which is absolutely amazing. Number 14, set up device financing. Have financing for people to buy the used devices. And again, Repairs First can help with this. They have partnerships with companies that will get you set up to take financing. Some of these companies don't actually normally do device financing. It's just for RFA members. Number 15, do a grand opening, but do it 2 to 3 months after you open. Give away food. Also, I would go to eBay, search up mascot, and purchase a costume, like a dog costume, something kids love. Have someone stand in it, put a shirt on it, and have that at the event so people can take pictures. Make sure you inform the local news stations and do the grand opening. They can be very beneficial at brand recognition and letting the community know that you're there. 16, have your staff post on local social media outlets when they're not busy. Every shop has slow time. You need to be posting on social media. Yes, I mean Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook groups, all of it. Number 17, create your own Facebook yard sale group so you can post in it. And you say, but Nicole, how do you grow those? Well, RFA actually has content on how to do that, but I'm going to give you a quick overview. All you need to do is invite people. You have to first invite friends. So what do? You got to friend people that you don't know who live in your area and then invite them to the group. And then inside of that yard sale group, you tell people, hey, don't forget to invite your friends. Listen, I'm not just telling you to do this. I do this. I have a yard sale group with about 30,000 people in it in a small town, and I advertise repair in there. And I can delete people that do repair. So it's my group. It's my yard sale group. People sell couches to each other, shoes, clothing, but I can post in there whenever I want. It is extremely valuable advertising, and it's free. 18, network with other local businesses. Stop sitting in the back waiting for business to walk in and hit the streets. Get out there and talk to people. Number 19, brand everything. Your vehicle should be branded. Your hats, your shirts, everywhere you go. I don't care if you're going to wash clothes or go grocery shopping. You need to be wearing a hat and a shirt with your business logo on it. Brand everything. And number 20, subscribe. No, just kidding. But please, now, subscribe, right? Number 20, very important. Work with local carrier stores. If you do sign up to be an RFA member, make sure you talk to Brian Ahern about this. He knows a lot about this. He taught me what I know. Okay. So work with your local carrier stores like Verizon, Sprint, AT&T, T-Mobile. They will refer you business, but you have to strategically go about making those relationships. Don't just walk in and look like a goofball. Okay. Get some help and some guidance first. So this is the 20 things that you need to do if you're going to open a store in 2024. Remember to check out our courses. We have a full online suite of courses. And if you're someone that wants to learn repair in person, we are a legitimate school, open since 2010, and we teach repair in Philly. I hope to see you in our classes.